friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a layout for Not Just for Boys Kit Club, and this is for May 17, 2021, which is a little crazy because we are heading through spring, getting to summer, yay, all that good stuff can start. Anywho, so I'm playing with this kit and it is gorgeous and color vibrant and all of those things, and my very favorite kit so far. And it's one of those kits that I know I'm going to use it up and I know I'll be sad when it happens. Let me show you what I'm going to be using, I think, because, you know, these things change. I like this paper here. It's Amy Tangerine Brave and Bold, and it's called Starburst. The back side is really great green pieces. So I don't even know what I'm doing yet. I just know I like this paper, and I know that my title has this color. So we'll see. And then this piece right here is the back side of this. It is called, it's from Vicki Boutin Color Study. It is line drawing. So I have the front and back of those. And this Amy Tangerine Brave and Bold called High Five. It's a blue crosshatch on one side. I actually liked this piece right here. That's why I pulled it out. So I don't know. I like the idea that it says, oh, hi. Let me show you the photo I have. I have this photo. This is the Nick. This is my daughter, Shay, and that is his stepsister. And they're in front of a cookie place that is in southern Michigan. And they have like the big, giant, honking, like fancy cookies. Like the big fancy cookies are becoming a thing here, like the fancy or like, not muffins, like cupcakes were, and now it's a cookie thing. Don't know, but cute picture they sent to me when they're out and about having some fun. And my title, which is ever so inspired, will be Gimme Cookie, because if you grew up during the time of Sesame Street, you're hip to this title. So I have that. I can put that on my desk. So I know I have that. Then I'm feeling, right? Now I have this great set of stickers that I am so vibing on. They're from Amy Tangerine Brave and Bold. So I'm going to have them handy dandy right next to me, right here. And then I have in my little dollar store tray here, I have stuff from the kit. So I can clearly bring in these black stickers. I used the stars on my last layout. Oh, guys, I love these little paperclip goodies with little tags. So I'm sure that can find its way in somehow, who knows. Then I have sequins, and I'm thinking this sequin mix, it's actually both will work. So we'll see what we bring in. And I have all these little wordy bits too. And the green works for that too. So I don't know. I need to get my base design to get kind of a better idea. Now I'll be bringing in these enamel dots that were in the a la carte. Celebrate is not a bad vibe for this, but all of these colors are kind of working with what I have. We'll see. Let's see. I like chill. I like kind, dude. These are NSD stuff, and get crafty. I don't know. So I have them in my handy dandy little tray. And in case you guys asked this, these were just at the Dollar Tree one day. And I thought I'd have it out on my desk as I craft so I can see my goodies really well. Now, aside from that, I do have some stuff for splatty bits between Nuvo and Shimmers. There are, let's see. I have creamies and I have, let's see. These are creamies, and I also have inklings. So I have like sparkly pearly goodness, and then like super sparkly pearly goodness. I have both. Yes, I do. So what I want to do is I have to trim out my photo, decide what paper gets to be on the background. Like this one right here is such a great background paper. So I'm kind of feeling that already. So I have to do that, you know, just trim that. And this Vicki Boutin has a slight sheen. It's kind of interesting. I know I like this oh hi piece for some reason, so I'll detail cut that out. Like I like it with this. I don't know. Maybe because it's a cookie. And then I'm going to start matting my photos in these. So let's see. And I haven't used these before, so I don't have any scraps of this. Now, I keep looking at this, but I used it on my last big layout. That was for the May 7th date. So I'm trying not to bring this in again already. Trying not to. We'll see how it goes. Don't know. So, yes, I don't even have a plan, but that is my plan so far. I have title, I have photo, I have great stickers. Let me trim out a couple things to make die cuts, at least this one, and we'll see if there's anything else. And I'll be back in a minute. So let me do a little check-in time because things went south, not south, west? I don't know, east, west, did not go south. Anywho, I was looking at this and I was like, you know what? Let me see what's on the other side of this. And I folded it over to do that look-see. I'm like, ooh, I want to see that side too. And then I have my picture here. I'm like, wait, I have a scrap of the pink fresh left. So that ended up in the corner. I left a nice little amount of like a little flap there because I wanted some dimension. And what I thought I would do with that little flappy bit, oh, where's my little black buttons? I have my little black buttons are in here somewhere. I do. I have them. I had them earlier today. I'm going to put one of the little black and white little buttons when I track them down. They're right here. Where are these guys? I'm going to put one right there because I think that would be so cute and fun, and it's going to look like it's holding it down. Ta-da. Okay, so I'm going to do that. Then once I pull that down, I'm like, oh, I want to bring more of that down here. And I want to bring some of this here. And my title has the green. So that's kind of how that all went. And I thought it would go like that. See how this is very texty? And I have the text up there. So I'm like, all right. I have 3 fishtail banners because I have 3 people in the photo. Great. So things are going swimmingly so far. I have a little adhesive on this. And I'm just going to commit to it. Okay. Which I'm probably going to move it in about 1 second now that I realize I want to get this Gimme cookie on there. Oh, guys, I think I have something done and committed to. Nope. Nope, nope. I sure don't. So do I want to do Gimme cookie like a long title? It's not really my vibe. I think I'd rather go like this. Do you think yeah, let's go like that. And I will have Gimme cookie go across. This will go just to the very end. Or the bottom, the end, the bottom of this right here. I'm going to get my, well, if I just kind of have it there, I have a place marker. Now you see how that brings in the bright, bright? That's why it worked for the green as well. Okay, now I have to find other little goodies to put on. I do have this Oh Hi that started this project, and I don't even know if I'm going to end up using it on this. I just liked it, and it gave me this kind of like color palette thing to start with. Ooh, the good stuff would be cute to bring that green across. So I think I'll have that. How cool is that? Yeah. Okay, chosen. So that's good. Now, I already used, I don't know if I want to bring red in. I know I have reddish here, but I like this other color palette that I have going. Okay, I'm going to keep playing. I'll be back in a minute. So, my friends, I have my fun little very bright title. And I could have brought it down, but I liked it right up by the photo. I have this little piece punched on, and I have this Amy Tan little hexie right there. I liked it because I thought I could put my little good stuff piece right there. And I did put it on a little bit of dimensional adhesive. Great. And I think I like the idea of seeing if this would work, although it's kind of skinny, and I think it would have to be popped up. Hold on. Trying to get that little dealy hopper out. Okay, I like this Okay Gimme cookie as an idea because you can see it, but I think I'm going to have to pop a little bit of dimensional adhesive behind it. Not a big deal. Now let's try this out. I just got this. One of my subbies was able to score this for me. So it's a new to me stampy bit, or not stamp. It's, oh wait, let me see if I can get a heart right in the middle of that. That might be really cute. Oh, I just punched it out. That really didn't help anything. Hold on. Oh gosh, there it goes. Oh, it did. That looks cute. So I'm going to be able to bring, look, it's a little camera. I'm going to be able to bring this up, maybe right here. So I'm going to have 2 tones of green. Now it looks weird. It looks weird. It does. Oh, actually, I have 2 tones of green here. I can deal with the weird. It looks appropriately weird. Okay, got it. Got it. Now I'm happy with that. I have a little something, something going because I needed like a die cut thing. And I'm just making my own right now. So that's cute. So I have a little cluster here. I have to decide if I like that or not, or if I'm going to end up finding bits. We'll see. Not sure yet. Okay. So that punch actually worked. I wanted to see. So I like that I have that there. Okay, so I don't bore you. I'm going to keep kind of going through my little bits and pieces. I need to bring some of these pinky colors up top. And, oh, and I need to get a little dimensional adhesive right there. I do like this cute little green heart. I don't know why. Maybe I'll put it right there for now and see if I'm going to have another cluster there. Not sure. Not sure. Okay, since I know I'm going to be faffing around trying to figure this out, I'll be back in a minute. Okay, friends, so I love the way this came out. Not even close to what my plan was. Awesome. So let's see. What have I added? So I did end up keeping the good stuff here. I have an Amy Tan heart there. I want to get an acrylic piece there because I'm going to have these two here. So I'll have 3, doing a bit of a wonky diagonal. I know it's not like a true diagonal, but I kind of have things going on. I do. I like this. Unless, see, I figure if I put one up here and one down here, it starts getting a little weird. Does it? Like, or do I like it? Ugh, guys, now I'm in a visual triangle and I like it better. I just can't keep up with whatever my plan is because I don't even know what it is. Okay, so what I think I'm going to do is invoke some of these gorgeous sequins here. I do have enamel dots. Let's see. Don't know if I'll do both. Not sure. Not sure till I start going. So, and then let me see. I do have this gorgeous, ridiculously beautiful Nuvo. I have this one, which is a little bit more lime, although it does work for that limey. And I also have, and I meant to use it on my previous layout, and I did not. I have my shimmers to do splatty bits with. I'm kind of feeling like this gorgeous fella with this gorgeous fellow and this one are the ticket for this. This is what I'm thinking. So I'm going to activate them with water really quickly while I put on my sequins and enamel dots and stuff, and I'll be back in a second and we'll finish this with some splatty bits together and it'll be awesome. Done. All right, guys, so I went ahead and used this gorgeous limey green just with a cheapy, I have a Recollections water brush here because I do like me some splatty bits with a water brush as well. Just trying to get off this nice vibrant green. And this one is called, sorry. Honey Do List. How cute. And that is an inkling. So I'm going to get a really nice, right now it's still wet, but I will end up getting a really nice kind of pearlescent, shiny kind of thing. I did activate this, but a bunch of it went down to the bottom. So this one is a Creamies in Boogie Borden Blue, which is a rather nice name. So nice concentrated color. So let me get a little bit on there too. And I'm making some nice subtle splatty bits right now, which I am loving because it's giving me just a little something on this that I needed. And yeah, I tend to be a little liberal with my application because I think it's fun. Let me get a little bit more on here and see. Oh yeah, now we're getting some bigger ones. Nice. Let me go around the top, and then I'm going to do the same thing with the gold, and I will call this done. And I'll take some photos of this, you know, for the whole posting thing once it dries, because I want you guys to be able to see it just a little bit better dry. Okay, that is it. So, oh, down below I'll have links for the Not Just for Boys Kit Club website, which has all the a la carte goodies that I get constantly. Like these Vicky Bouton alphas are from the a la carte section. I loved them. These acrylic pieces are as well. So you definitely got to check that out and race to the a la cartes when you get your orders. And also I will leave a link to the Facebook community. So if you guys have any questions about anything, just leave it down below and I'll get back to you ASAP. Bye for now.